Hi and Assalamualaikum to Madam and to whoever that watched this video. So today we are going to present about our website and mobile application. But before we start, I'm going to introduce you guys my team members. So firstly, my name is Nur Alia Sofina binti Shahrin and my student ID is 2019428746.
My name is Nurul Aisakinah binti Ahmad Sazili and my student ID is 2019420598.
Assalamualaikum and hi to Madam and my fellow friends. My name is Safia Atia binti Rahim. My student ID is 2019-209 and 746.
So my name is Siti Mariam binti Zainab. My student ID is 2019-215984.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mariana Nabila binti Ahmad Fuad. My student ID is 2019-258148 and I.
Alright guys, so let's start. Okay, I'm gonna type our website link first. Okay, so this is how our homepage looks like. Okay, as you can see here, there's a welcome and then a laptop. Okay, so our website name is Inforums and we put the navigational bar at the top. As you can see here, we put a home, about, contact, themes and forum. We didn't put login session because whenever user get into our website, if they want to write a forum, they click the forum part and they will go to the login session part. Yeah, but first I'm going to show you guys our homepage first. Okay, you can either click the navigational bar at the top or you can just scroll to see our about, contact, themes and forum. Okay, so I'm gonna click the about button first and it will appear this. Okay, so who are we? So Inforums are the place where you learn, communicate, discuss and execute. It provides many features that will guide you to what you need. Inforums were created under an organization that contains of 5 educated programmers. Okay, with that opportunity, it makes this website functional to many people. Okay, so this is our about page. So we're moving forward to our contact part. Okay, so this is a part where a user can contact us or they want to leave a message or feedback or anything that they want. Okay, we put our email here, as you can see here, inforums.mail.com, and our telephone number and address. Whenever the user click the submit button, it will go the message will go to our email. We didn't put at the database, okay, because we want to put at the email so it will be easier for us to check or to reply the message. Okay, so that is our contact part, and then we're moving forward to our themes. Okay, so this is my themes. As you can see here, this is me, Nur Alia Sofina binti Shahrin, and then Safia Atia binti Rahim, and then next is Mariam Nabila. Okay, then Nurul Ain Sakina and Siti Mariam. Okay, so this is our teammates member. So okay, so we're gonna start with the forum part. Okay, when you click the forum, then it will appear this. Okay, this is our login page where the user need to log in if they have an account. Okay, but if they don't have it, then they need to click the sign up button. Okay. Okay, so there's another button here which is home. So whenever the user click the button or user or admin click the button home, okay, it will go directly to our homepage part back. Okay, so we're going to start with the forum and yeah, I'm going to sign up first. So fill in the registration for Inforums. Okay, I'm going to put my name, Alia Surfina, and my username, and then password. Okay, then we click the submit button and it will pop up. If you can see there, up there, it a pop-up message which is it say that new record has been added successfully. So it means that the user details already in the database. Okay, yeah, it will put it, congratulations, you are one of our member now, please sign in. So they need to sign in to log in our forum part. Okay, so we're gonna log in the Alia Surfina, the username that we put earlier, okay, as a user, password and log in. Okay, so this is our forum page. Okay, as you can see here, this is our home forum page, and you can see there, welcome to Inforums Alia Sofina. it will tell us how many users that we have in this website, in our website, and how many forum topics and tags. Okay, the tags part is like algebra thingy, calculus, math, others, programming, and statistic. Okay, this is for user page only, so the user can only see the home and the discussion part. From the right top, you can see there's a manage account and a logout button drop down. Okay, you can change your name or your username or your password here. Okay, alright, so for the as you can see at the discussion part, there is a topic list where the user can create their topic or create any question that they want to ask. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the topic part. Okay, as you can see here, the topic is how to be confident, and we put the text the others. Okay, it's about the others lah. It's about others, and then posted by who. So it appeared here, posted by Yaya. Okay, and then we can see the views and the comments also. I'm gonna click the topic part. You can see the comments and also the question here. Yeah, you can see the comment and question here, and at the bottom part you can comment also, and you can reply the comment also. Okay, so I'm going to create a topic. Okay, so I'm going to write how can I tell connection to a database. Okay, so the category part, I'm going to choose the programming. And put the question here. Okay, let me write it first. Okay, done, and then just save it. Save it, and the data successfully added, which means it also appeared in our database. Okay, so as you can see here, it's already appeared here, connection database, and the question also here, and you can also comment it here. Okay, we're going to try comment at random forums. Okay, so I'm going to comment it here like test, and then save command. Okay, this is okay. For this part, it shows that Safia Atia already commented, and then I comment it too. Okay, you can see there's the two comments here. Okay, and also you can reply to other comment, like for example, like here I comment to my own comment. Yeah, I reply to my own comment. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that. And you also can edit your command part. Okay, your command part, and you can, I'm gonna write create an object. Okay, then saved it, and you can see you can also edit your command. Okay, alright, and not only that, but you can also delete your command. Okay, so okay, as you can see here, user only can edit and delete their own forums only. Okay, so cannot delete the forum. Okay, they can only delete their own forum only. Okay, so okay, at the bottom part, at the top part, we put a search part, which user can search any forum that they want. For example, we're gonna search for the programming. Yeah, there's a no result because I put the wrong keywords. Okay, I put a programming. It's supposed to be a programming, right? So I'm gonna change it, correct it. Okay, the programming, and yeah, you can see it. So it appears the programming part, the text part. Okay, not only that, but the search button is not only for the text part, but you can just search anything that you want. I'm just gonna search for the confident part, and you can see the text is others, but the topic is how to be confident, so it appears the confident part. Okay, so that's it for the user part. And whenever you want to log out, then just click the alias or final part and then log out, so it will appear back to the login session part. Okay,
next I'm going to present on how our system works. First, the admins needs to log into the system. As you guys can see here, I'm logged in with Yaya's name. Alright, after login, this is the interface for admins forums. At the top left navigation, this system have a home navigation, category navigation, discussion navigation, and also users navigation. For users navigation, as you guys can see, there is the list for users that is available in the system. There is a name, username, and type of the users, and also action that we can take action from that. Okay, to add new users, admins need to put in the information for the users, such as name, username, password, and user type, and so on. Alright, now I'm trying to insert Sakinah as a new users. After adding new user, the system will update and display the users that is on the list. As you guys can see, there is Sakinah names is already in the list, and furthermore, the same things happen to the database. All the information for Sakinah will be updated and added to the list. It is categorized as 1 because 1 is for user, meanwhile 2 is for the admins. Next, we can also take action for each of the user, whether to edit users information or to delete the users. To show example, here we can change Mariam Nabila user type from user to admin. Alright, we can also delete the user here, and yeah, it is successfully deleted as Mariam's names is not on the list anymore, and same goes to database because it is connected. Alright, next we can also search for user's name in order to get fast response instead of searching it one by one. As you guys can see here, I'm searching for okay. Alright, move on to the next navigation, which is the category navigation. In this navigation, there is ton of list for education categories and discussions. Alright, we can also create the categories if the categories is not available. It can be created by submitting at the category form. We just need to add the description and the categories. Now let's check it on the database, and yes, probability category is updated. To edit the description, you just need to edit it on the category form and save it. Next, we can also delete the category that are no longer needed to make sure there is no data redundancy. Now I'm going to refresh my database, and yes, the category is successfully deleted. Now I'm going to search some of the categories that are available, and search function is also working very well. Finally, discussion navigation. For this navigation, we can see tons of forums, discussions, questions that has been uploaded from various users.
Need to log in first. In our project, admin can edit or delete every single post that have been published here. So, if admin wants to edit post, admin needs to click the 3 circles button at the right and click edit to edit the post. For example here, admin add extremely edit title. After that, admin needs to click the save button so that the latest edit will be saved. For every single edits that admin edit, the latest editing will be also saved to the database. Okay, next is delete. If admin wants to delete some posts, just click the 3 circles button and click delete button. After that, the confirmation text will be popped out. If admin really wants to delete the post, just click the confirmation button and the post will be permanently included in the database. Next is comments. If admins want to comment in the specific posts that have been published, just click the topic that admins want and comment in the text box given. For example, here, after user done with comments, just click the save comments, and the comment will be published in our website. Like before, click the 3 circles button and edit whatever the admins want. Then click the save button. Next is reply. So if admins want to reply some comments, admin needs to click the arrow button at the left, and after admin's done with the reply, then admin needs to click the save button so that the reply will be published. Next is tags. So for our website, we have tags, which means we can schedule what kind of topics is this. Next is search, and if the topics that admins search don't have in our database, the no search result for the given keywords will be popped out. And if the topics that admins search have in our database, the result will be shown. Okay, I think that's all for forum section. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Ain Sakinah binti Ahmad Sazili. I'm from class CS110-4E and my student card is 2019420598. So I will be explain about the category section. So in the category section, they will have a section for users to insert a new category. So first, the user must put the name and the description in the category. After they put all the information needed, they can click the save button. For the save button, so this is the coding for the save button. So the coding will put in the ajax.php. In ajax.php, can go to the category. So this is the save category. So this is actually a function name. As you can see, it was linked to admin class.php. So in this file, this is the function for save category, and this is all put in for the save category button. And then same goes to the delete button for category. If you want to delete the category, this is the function for delete category. And that's all for categories. And then we go to the topics. So as you can see in the interface before, there is a topic list. So this is the topic list for coding, and for user they can create topic. So if they want to create the topic, they will fill for title, text or category, and the content, and then they will save the title and it will be saved in the database, and then it will keep updating the database. And also the user can delete the topics. So there will be the delete button. So for delete button, this is the function for delete buttons, and it also has in the ajax.php where we can delete the topic. Yes, either to save the topic or delete the topic. So this is the function. This is the coding. And then lastly, we go to the reply section. So this is for the reply. If other user want to reply to the user about the topics, so they can reply, and then they just put what they want to reply here, and then they just submit the reply. So this is the function to update the reply, and also they can delete the reply. So that is all for reply, manage comment, and categories. Thank you.
Okay, next we go through the CRUDs. For the CRUDs, for the register, we have two files, which is insert.php and register_user.php. For in register_user.php, we put HTML coding here, while insert.php we put PHP and CSS CSS coding here. Okay, so for register, we use for method in order to make the process success. Also, we use input for the user put their details into our system, so that into our system. So as you can see here, we use input type equals text. User need to enter their names, username, password, user type for register. Then after user fill up their details, user need to click the submit button, and the register will be successful. And if the register success, there will be a message pop out, which is congratulations, you are one of our member now. Please sign in. So after the user successfully register, they need to sign in order to go through into our discussion forum section. So if the user is already a member, so they will need to sign in, which I will explain about the login later. So as you can see here, this insert into user, which is name, username, password, and type, is the one who will be connected to the database. And as you can see here, values, we have names, username, password, and type. And so if the admins want to check whether the record is successful or fail, when the new records has been added successfully, message box will pop out, so the admins will know that the record is already successfully added. That's all for register. Okay, so for the login.php, we have fourth coding here, which is PHP, HTML, CSS, and lastly is Java. Okay, we use Java in order to make the process smoother and add some extra features so that the website will be smooth and beautiful. Okay, for login section, as you can see here, we also use for method so that the user will be successful to make the process to log in, to sign in. Then we use input for sign in. User needs to fill up only username and password. That's all. Then if the user is not a member, then in the sign in form, they will have a message which is new user, please sign up. This is this message will instruct to a user whether if the user is not a member, so the user need to sign up. I think that's all for log in. That's all from me. Thank you.
So my name is Siti Mariam binti Zainal. My student ID is 2019 215 984. So I will continue with our mobile application. So this is our main page interface. This register and login button, and this is our logo. When you click the register button, you need to fill in the registration form and click the register button. So it will redirect to the login, and you need to fill in again the username and password. When it has been confirmed, when you log in the page, so it will redirect to here, and in discussion, it has discussion delete and logout. In discussion button or discussion page, it contains topic list. So here you can search the list or the topic you need to search here. And when you need to create a new topic, you can click this button. So you need to fill in or key in this form and click save button. So in discussion page, in this topic list, it will update with the new topic. Next, in the delete page, when you need to delete your topic, you need to key in the title and you can click the delete button. So the topic will be deleted. And lastly, in the logout, it will be redirected to the home page. Next, I will continue with the blocks. In the screen one blocks, it only open to another screen. In register, so here is our IP address and source file. So we connect with the signup.php to connect with the database. So here is the name, username and password. It's same with login, but in login we connect with the login.php file. Next, in discussion, so here in list, we use list view to list all the topics in our Inforums website, and you can search any topic. When you need to create a new topic, we link the URL with the save.php file, and we need title, category IDs and content. Next, when you need to delete the topic, so the URL is the source file is delete.php file, and we only use title of the topic. And lastly, when you click the logout button, it will go to the screen 1 and it's done. Use our mobile phone. First, we need to register. Siti Mariam, Siti and password. Need to register. Username, Siti and your password. Next is discussion button or discussion page. Here is the list of the topic in our forum, and you can search the title here, like topic. Okay, that's it. If you want to create a new topic, you click this button, create topic, and key in the title. Save, So here is your new topic, and if you want to delete, you can go to delete button and key in the title, any title you want to delete. So the math topic has been deleted, so you can log out.